Okay, good afternoon. I am going to do a little instructional video on how to open and close the tank on the FX60 Vacuum Trailer by Ditch Witch. Here's a little bit of an overview of the trailer itself. It's a vacuum excavation machine, has water tanks for the water pressure, and then it has a back tank for the debris that are going to be removed. Here's kind of a walk around of the machine. And opening up the tank and closing the tank is a little bit of a procedure. So there are some instructions on the trailer itself, which are right here. And I want to do a little instructional on how to open and close it. So basically right now the tank is closed, and I'm going to do a first instruction on how to open it. In order to do that, I've got to turn the machine on. So, opening, first we have to push the door seal, the door control to seal. So I'm going to push this. Then I've got to turn the tank door lock counterclockwise. So that's this one right here. The outer one. Got to do it counterclockwise. Until it comes out. Then I've got to pull the door seal control to release. Then I have to turn the handle to disengage and pull out. So this handle right here, it says disengage, engage. It wants me to turn it to disengage and then pull it out. So I have to kind of shimmy it back. Okay, hopefully that works. Then next step is push door control to open. Door control to open. I think I need to do more with the handle first.